Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how to check if you met the OGC eligibility criteria. Okay, some of you are still confused. You don't know if you have met their criteria or not. But follow me step by step on how you can check yours, and if you have not done yours, on how you are going to qualify for the airdrop criteria. Okay, so as you can see, they posted on November 7th, they say criteria to access the initial OGC token claim. Only the participants who meet the following conditions will be able to access the OGC token claim. As you can see, criteria 1, in-app activity. You must be active for at least 1 day between November 1st and November 20th. Mandatory subscriptions. So this one is mandatory. You must subscribe to their Telegram channel, Discord, and Twitter. Okay. So this one said wallet. Make sure you connect your EVM wallet. Okay. EVM wallet, not exchange wallet. Okay. EVM wallet is like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, OKX Web3 wallet, Bitgate wallet. Okay, don't connect your exchange wallets. Exchange is like Bybit, Binance, OKX exchange. Okay, another one is KYC. A snapshot will be taken on November 21st. Those who are eligible based on the result of the snapshot will be able to take KYC at one of the SECs. That is one of the centralized exchange that OGC will be listing. They haven't mentioned any exchange yet. It could be Bybit, it could be Binance, it could be Bitgate, it could be Gate.io. So any of them, you make sure that you do your KYC once they announce it. Okay, they said check your subscriptions and activity to make sure you don't miss your chance. Okay, so I'm going back now to my dashboard, so follow me step by step. Let me see if I have met my own criteria. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm mining my own OGC all the time. Some of you are not mining. Some of you have dumped this for a long time. But as you can see, they said you must mine at least once in this November, from 1st to 20th of November. Okay, so if you haven't started mining yours, go and activate the mining section. Okay, so once you get here, for you to know if you have actually met this criteria, you click on this your profile icon. Okay, so as you can see, my EVM wallet is connected. Okay, so if yours is not connected, you can actually edit your wallet here. You can actually click here to edit your wallet if your own is not connected. I input my MetaMask wallet address. Okay, so you can click on this edit wallet to input your MetaMask wallet address or any wallet address of your choice from a decentralized wallet. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is for you to click on this link social account. Okay, so as you can see, my Telegram is connected. So if yours is not connected, you click on this arrow, it will take you to their Telegram. You follow them on their Telegram, then you come back, you link your Telegram account. Okay, so this one is Twitter. As you can see, my Twitter is connected. My Discord is connected. Okay, my Discord is connected. My immutable passport is connected. Okay, if this your immutable passport is not connected, just click on it. Okay, just click on it and it will be connected. Okay, click on it, you follow the process. Okay, this your Twitter or Telegram. In case if you want to change your Twitter account that is connected here, like me, I'm going to change this my Twitter username that is connected here because Twitter have banned this account. So you just click on this arrow here, click on this arrow, you click on replace. Okay, see it down here, you click on replace. Okay, so for you to earn more points, you click on these partner apps. Okay, So once you click on this partner apps, you can see all the tasks you can do. If you do this one, they're going to give you 1000 OG points. If you do all these tasks, they're going to give you OG points. After doing, click on this daily. You click on this daily to see more they are supposed to do. Okay, you watch ads, they'll give you 1000 OG points every day. Click here. This one is one time, this one is tabs. Okay, so just make sure that you do some of the tasks that you can be able to do for you to accumulate enough points before the snapshot. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment, and share. You can also support me by sending me stars, okay? Thank you and God bless you.